Microsoft Word has powerful features to enable document creation, editing, and collaboration, while also allowing the user to enhance their work with beautiful graphic design elements. Word uses features that help you to work quickly and efficiently, while its interface allows for the flexibility and customization of everyday features. This one-day course is designed for those new to Microsoft Word and those who would like to build a strong foundation on which to create professional-looking documents they can be proud of. In this course, you'll learn to navigate and edit documents in Word, format text and paragraphs, manage bullets and numbering, enhance content with pictures and graphics, as well as proof and print your documents. Word has an extensive set of features and options to make it easier to create great documents. Features such as the Quick Access toolbar, where you can add common commands that you use regularly, an extensive set of templates to start documents with a professional look, scroll bars that show you page numbers, and a navigation pane that allows you to easily move to where you want to go in the document. For easier editing, show the invisible characters to see the underlying structure of your document. An unformatted document can look plain and be hard to read, so working with the formatting options will help it look better and increase the understanding of the reader. Most users have already discovered the basic formatting tools such as bold and italic, but there are several other options such as increase font size and change case to make these changes more quickly. We will explore the dialog box launcher button to learn more details about these settings. Changes to line spacing also help with readability, and indents set items off for emphasis. We will explore the most effective paragraph setting to enhance your documents. Did you know that you can copy formatting almost instantly? Learn how the Format Painter can make your work easier. Why use bullets and numbering? For short statements, bullets set the information apart and emphasize their individuality. Numbering helps define details in a sequence. Bullets and numbering both permit many different styles. Learn how to control these tools to improve the clarity of your documents. If you need to insert a character that isn't on your keyboard, symbols is where you can find them. Copyright symbols, accented characters, and more can be inserted from here. Pictures enhance the message of your document and can be inserted from any file location. Once inserted, you can resize it, crop out unwanted info, apply a picture style, and get text to flow around the picture. Need to add information from a web page or another application? Use the snapshot tool to capture a picture of what you need. Do you find people point out spelling mistakes before commenting on the actual content? Reduce spelling and grammar related errors by utilizing Word's spell check options. Wavy red lines are spelling errors, and the dashed blue ones grammar inconsistencies. Word can help you fix these in the click of a button. Or run the spell check to find all the spelling errors and fix each one. Find yourself repeating the same phrases over and over? See how Word's built-in thesaurus can add variety to your writing. Accessibility is becoming critical and often mandatory in the modern professional world. Word's built-in accessibility checker can help you meet the appropriate guidelines. And before you waste paper, check the print preview. Flip through the pages, make page setup changes, and preview them. Now you can share a professional-looking document to be proud of.
Hi, I'm Senior Training Manager Joy Newholt. You're only a few clicks away from improving your skills. Register online now for one of our guaranteed to run public classes. Or contact us to inquire about our customizable private group classes. Classes can be delivered online at our modern training center in downtown Ottawa or on-site at your location. Our live instructor-led classes are your best way to learn and apply new skills to your job. Visit our website or give us a call today.